Here's the roses we're working with today to make a lovely Valentine's arrangement. We're going to add an exquisitely scented lily. Welcome to Grace Garden Florist. I showed you the flowers that we're using, so let's get started. I'm actually going to start by putting my roses together because this is such a short dish. The advantage to a short, low arrangement is that shorter stems will have your flowers lasting a longer time. So I'm going to cut my stems. And again, I'm going to measure how tall I want them. And just wrap this around. You won't see it, but that'll keep them staying where I want them in the vase. And the short stems will last longer. Another elastic band. I'm checking the roses to make sure that they're pretty, that there's no bad petals. Cut it. More over here. And another rubber band. Okay. Now I want to put in the greens. Okay. Strip off the bottoms, get rid of that ugly bit. This piece over here. Decide where our lily goes. Nope, too tall. Cut it off a little bit long, a little bit shorter. Now I have a couple stems of my favorite flower, Astromeria. And see how that one has a hanging over part? We're going to use that to our advantage. And we're going to let that hang right over this edge. Like that. This one, we're going to come up through the center. And this guy, I'm gonna go around and look at it from the other side. And it also has a droopy cascading side. We're gonna use that here. Like that. There. Okay. Now, we have these limonium, which I really love because it has a direction. We want to use that, the direction of the flowers to, you'll see what I mean. To make that continue on. Stick that like that. Okay, and then this little guy, don't want to waste him. And I need to turn it around and look at the back. And I need a little bit more of that. We're back here. And I've got those two roses with that one. Okay. There it is. The final touch is a little heart. And the enclosure card will go here with the person's personal sentiments for their lover.